In the last episode, we landed in Kuala Lumpur to explore the Malaysian capital as much as we could. We didn't expect to stay much longer than 1 week, but travel plans changed, and fast forward to this episode, we are spending another week, but in a different style. Ditch the backpack and get a bit more comfortable. We actually rented a nice apartment with a rooftop pool and a view of the Petronas Towers. We visited the iconic and stunning Batu Caves and had great day trips in between. However, not everything goes as expected. So, stay tuned for our stories in part 2 visiting Kuala Lumpur. Our second week in Kuala Lumpur starts from here.
We are treating ourselves with a little apartment, which it was like 20 quid per day, so
22 pounds per day.
Which is absolutely fine, and it was the cheapest option that we could find. Plus, we got a swimming pool. So today at 6 o'clock, we are going to the swimming pool to watch the sunset. So
it would be a nice treat for this second week in Kuala Lumpur. You in a long trip like ours, we are on the road like from September basically, more or less. In Southeast Asia from November, we feel the need of an apartment.
Just like time to settle down, like put all your clothes out from the backpacks, and having even the little kitchen where in the morning you can make breakfast,
washing machine for ourselves.
So it is needed. Just it's like, oh, okay, now I feel relaxed and not just like going around exploring, working. So
we have a nice sofa where we can watch the movies. We carry with us an HDMI cable, and whatever is a TV, we can watch movie much better than a monitor.
So if you are planning to backpacking in Southeast Asia, we recommend an HDMI cable, even a short one, just to connect your laptop.
Very short one
with the TV is really nice when you can set
it. Make you more feel homey.
Yeah, sure.
Even though you are changing accommodation every week or so.
Yeah. So
nice bed.
Yeah, not bad.
Natural lights.
So now the first thing that we're gonna do is do some grocery shopping because we're having a special dinner tonight.
Yes, we're gonna cook something. We are
having
for pasta.
Finally, after I think 6 months, we are actually eating pasta. I don't remember last time that we actually had pasta.
I don't know.
So
let's go to the grocery shop that is just down this building, this huge building, and let's go and see what we find now.
Yes.
We came back from grocery.
Yes.
How much did we spend?
I was actually thinking that we were going around £50, but actually we spent 27, which is good. So we've got breakfast for the entire week, which is good. So we got breakfast plus the juice. We got lunch and dinner for tonight. Plus we bought some snacks, beers, just to keep us alive. Fruit. Yes. And we bought all the ingredients to make pasta. So olive oil, salt.
We pretty decide the meal for
the entire
week.
Yeah, we kind of forgot how it was to do grocery shop, and in fact we forgot our reusable bags. So we had to buy the plastic ones, unfortunately.
That we will reuse for rubbish.
This we've got tomatoes. And the funny story, so we wanted one garlic because it's 1 week, it's not that we're gonna stay a month. But the minimum weight was 100 grams. And so they wouldn't allow me to buy just one to put the barcode. So I was like, yeah, but I just need one. So I had to buy another one, a smaller one, just to make 100 grams. So I was like, how stupid is that?
Anyway, cool.
Yeah, so let's go and have some lunch.
following day, we took the fast KL train, which was not far from our apartment, and reached the Batu Caves. This stunning worship place is among the most popular and visited places in Kuala Lumpur. You will spend about 1 to 2 hours walking up the 272 steps to the cave entrance, skipping wild monkeys and a lot of rubbish. Still can't get my head around the fact that despite being one of the most popular worship places, the monkeys and people make this place so dirty. Anyway, the caves are stunning and you will walk through temples carved in the rock. We were lucky enough to witness some functions. But before that, something unexpected happened. We crashed our drone. Out of the stressful morning, how many of you can relate that starting your morning crashing the drone? We are at the Batu Caves and literally the drone lost control at all. I couldn't move anything. Was just going, swinging left and right until the point that it got hit the rock. Alessia filmed everything. You will see the raw. And let's see what the drone catch in the first shot. We are getting up now. We were lucky that the guy was very good, and he literally after half an hour more or less he made to crash the drone on the ground. It's heavily destroyed. I don't know if it can take off anymore. but we take back the cart. There is no sign about not flying the drone, so I don't know what's happening, if there was some interference or something like that, but at least literally the drone was out of control. Stressful morning number 1.
Yes, and it's just 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, I already feel a full day.
Yeah.
But let's go and discover the Batu Cave because it's what we came for here. After the Batu Caves, our KL exploration wasn't yet over. We went back to the stunning Petronas Towers, wandered around the gardens and visited the Masjid Jamek Mosque, right at the conjunction of the two major rivers of Kuala Lumpur, the River of Life. It's free to enter the mosque and also take a tour. We had plenty of time to explore the center of Kuala Lumpur, visit Merdeka Square, and see the fascinating city gallery. While exploring, we wandered through some of the most Instagrammable places in Kuala Lumpur, right behind Merchants Lane, a narrow alley full of street art representing past and modern life in the capital of Malaysia. We were on time for the Daily Lake Symphony show at the Petronas Tower, which is unmissable for every itinerary in Kuala Lumpur. Just after a short metro ride, we were back in the center of the city for some fun at night. with last beautiful view of Kuala Lumpur, we are saying you bye to the second part of our trip to Malaysia. We are flying over. If
Our
you
next destination, and if you like this video, as always, subscribe and see you
in the
who
next
knows?
one.